Good morning. Nice to be here, and I'm very delighted to be here and participate here and present the BSR STARS program in the 4th annual Baltic Sea Region Strategies Forum. And today we will present our long-term initiative. We started working in 2009, the reason why we started to work together, all 10 countries, was that we understood that the Baltic Sea region consists of relatively small countries, and by acting alone, we want to achieve as much as we can achieve working together, initiating all collaborative innovation projects and activities, and uniting and linking all our strengths and potential on innovation and research that can serve us as a increase for our competitiveness of the Baltic Sea region and the attractiveness of our region and leading to the global markets. So the flagship project, the flagship program BSR STARS, aiming to catalyze such international collaboration and innovation activities, and it involves innovation and research milieux, clusters, organizations, SME networks, and their development and activities in innovation and research. As I told you, 10 countries were working together very actively, and since 2009, and even before, since 2006, from BSR InnoNet projects. So BSR STARS program is also based on grant challenges as a form of grant opportunities for new business opportunities, for new business models, new business opportunities, new solutions for meeting market needs, and also for smart specialization approaches. It helped to form unique alliances in research and innovation milieus, and leads to development of those new solutions. So just to mention that all those countries are involved, and Iceland as well, and the governments also plays very important role in this part of and management and government of this common framework. So Baltic Sea BSR STARS program's high-level group was formed from different institutions in the Baltic Sea region and agencies working with the innovation and technology development from the ministries which are responsible for innovation, and cluster organizations and other representatives from the Baltic Sea region. And we were the structure that was initiating and thinking about how to develop and how to implement the BSR STARS. And together we started to initiate new financial instruments, initiatives, how to call it. And in that way, using some not so huge maybe financial support, we have initiated the bonus innovation call. Also, together with the Nordic Council of the Ministers, we initiated the BSR Innovation Express call. We also started and helped maybe a little bit to develop Demola concept within the region and outside the region, maybe a little bit outside the region. And just maybe to conclude, so I would like to mention that and emphasize that this initiative is very positive and long-term, and it is important that if we want to continue and proceed, so we have to take more attention to the governments. It should be flexible and competent. Also, we have to initiate more and increase support for the business transnational collaboration, and these financial instruments also should be flexible and more available. And as also we have to taking into account the smart specialization of the region, how to identify and promote new initiative, new projects in the smart specialization.